The benefits of self-employment can make the effort of launching a startup worth it. In addition to the freedom that comes from being your own boss, starting a business can bring greater job satisfaction and higher earning potential. 20 startup ideas. Even startup ideas that seemingly come out of left field can yield incredible success. Read through this list for instant inspiration and get your creative gears turning. 1. Create educational content or activities. Parents are always looking for tools and activities to keep their kids entertained and engaged. Printable activity guides for different age groups, homeschool lesson plans, or even virtual nature walks or story time could all be viable startup ideas. 2. Offer virtual team building. Companies need new ways to boost morale and build camaraderie among remote and hybrid teams. Enter the virtual team builder. Cheesemongers, mixologists, chefs, magicians, artists, historians, master gardeners, almost anyone can create and offer bonding experiences for virtual companies. 3. Start a meal prep business. By 2026, more than 217 million people in the U.S. will use online food delivery services. Tap into that market and start a meal prep service to make people's lives easier and cater to specialized diets: keto, vegan, Whole30. 4. Create a food waste solution. Creating a startup focused on reducing food waste could not only earn you some serious funding, but also positively change the food system and help save grocery stores and restaurants money. 5. Capitalize on plant-based foods. The U.S. plant-based market is exploding, with sales of plant-based foods doubling in recent years to $7.4 billion in 2021. Creating a vegan supermarket or making meat-free versions of traditional foods could be the ticket to success for aspiring entrepreneurs. 6. Start a drop shipping business. The e-commerce business model of drop shipping is especially attractive because it doesn't require you to purchase inventory upfront. Selling higher-end products with low shipping costs could become profitable quickly if you do thorough competition research. 7. Curate subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are a $22.7 billion business globally, and the industry is still set to grow. Pick a niche, and then curate a collection of specialized goods to deliver unique experiences to consumers. Some subscription boxes focus on makeup, others focus on sustainability. Find the right starting point for you and run with it. 8. Create an airport-centric app. Creating an all-in-one app that allows travelers to navigate unfamiliar airports with real-time information is a relatively untapped startup idea. Though various travel applications exist, an app that shows amenities, TSA line wait time. 9. Become a destination wedding planner. The coronavirus pandemic added an extra layer of stress to destination weddings, creating added demand for wedding planners who can help manage wedding and travel logistics, including local guidelines and testing requirements. If you love exploring, are great under pressure and don't mind working long hours, this could be the startup idea for you. 10. Make local guides. Even if you don't consider yourself a local expert, creating local guides can get you familiar with your surroundings and help tourists enjoy off-the-beaten-path experiences in your area. Make themed guides, highlight attractions, and partner with local businesses for advertising opportunities. 11. Create a local grocery delivery service. A grocery delivery startup can come with minimal setup costs. You only need a vehicle and a cell phone to get started. Help older people or others who are too busy to shop by offering this community-friendly service. You can even approach grocery stores in your area to see if they're willing to partner with you to get the service off the ground. 12. Start a virtual event planning company. Virtual event planning is a new booming business as in-person gatherings go online or take a hybrid approach. A skilled planner who can ensure all attendees are engaged, regardless of location, will be in high demand for years to come. 13. Sell zero-waste products. Starting a zero-waste company is more than just a trendy thing to do. It can be an ethical, environmentally conscious decision. Selling sustainable products such as reusable bags, bamboo toothbrushes, or products with zero-waste packaging could appeal to a growing number of sustainability-focused consumers. 14. Make products for pets. Create innovative pet products to take advantage of the fact that 70% of U.S. households, about 90.5 million families, have at least one animal companion. Look into developing toys, accessories or even clothing for furry friends. 15. Create custom clothing. Selling custom clothing or offering a tailoring service could be your winning startup idea. The custom clothing industry is gaining popularity and offers room for long-term growth. 16. Sell vintage clothing online. Demand for sustainable fashion has helped propel secondhand clothing into a $36 billion industry in the U.S. with projections to double in the next 5 years. Consider selling thrifted, vintage or upcycled clothing on social media, an e-commerce platform or an app such as ThredUp or Poshmark. 17. Begin niche blogging. Find a niche, think esports or urban farming, and create engaging content around it. You can earn money through advertising, affiliate links and even product sales once you build an audience. 18. Become an e-book writer. If you've got a way with words, consider becoming a self-published author and selling ebooks on virtual platforms. 19. Start ghostwriting. Create content for busy professionals who don't have the time or the skill to write themselves. If you don't mind not attaching your name to your writing, ghostwriting is a great way to earn money with little to no startup costs attached. 20. Become a resume writer. Everyone needs a resume, but few people are skilled at or enjoy writing their own. If you've got writing experience and are looking to launch a startup with no setup costs, creating a resume writing service could be the path for you. Thank you to everyone who viewed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and switch on notifications to receive updates on new videos from the Motivation Field channel.